Good morning. Myself, Sangeeta Jain from Modern Wisdom Senior Secondary School welcomes you to our online classes. Students, in our previous class, we had completed our exercise 1.2, all the problem sums. Now today we'll start exercise 1.3, estimate each of the following using general rule. We have to estimate according to general rule. So 730 plus 998. How we will solve? First of all, we'll see how to estimate this number as 998 is greater than 730. We'll round off these number to tens place. For rounding off to tens place, we will see the digit. We'll see the digit ones place is 0. So we'll take 3 as the tens place. Now how to solve these sums? Let's check out. We find that 998 is greater than 730. So for round off to tens place, 998 round off to will take 1000 as tens place is 8, tens place is 9, ones place is 8 and 100 place is 9. So we'll estimate it as 1000. For 730 round off to 700 as ones place is 0. So it will be 700. So estimated sum equal to, when we'll add these both number, it will be 1700. Your answer will be 1700. Now your next sum is 796 minus 314. So estimating 796 minus 314, to get a closer estimate, let us try round each number to 100 place. That is 796 round off to 800 and 314 round off to 300. Your estimated difference will be 800 minus 300 is 500. In question number second, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. In question number A, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. For rough estimate, nearest hundreds we will take as nearest 100. 439 plus 334 plus 4317. So 439 round off to 400. 334 rounds off to 300. And 4317 round off to 4300. Your estimated sum will be, add all these numbers, we will get 5000. Next part is to get a closer estimate. Let us try rounding off to nearest tens. That is 439 round off to nearest 10 is 440. And 334 round off to 330. And 4317 rounds off to 4320. Your estimated sum will be, add all these numbers, will get 5090. Next, in question number second B, 1,08,734 subtracted 47,599. So in second B part, rough estimate nearest 100 is 1,08,734 subtracted 47,599 will be 1,08,734 round off to 1,08,700 and 47,599 round off to 47,600. Our estimated difference will be, we'll subtract these number and get 61,100. Again, to get a closer estimate, let us try rounding each number to nearest tens. 1,08,734 round off to 8,730. And 47,599 round off to 47,600. So our estimated difference, subtract these number, will get 61,130. Next, our second C number is 8,325 subtracted 491. For this, our rough estimate nearest hundreds is 8,325 subtracted 491. So 8,325 round off to 8,300 and 491 rounds off to 500. So we will get estimated difference, subtract this number, will get 7,800. Again, to get a closer estimate, let us try rounding each number to nearest tens. 8,325 round off to 8,330 and 491 rounds off to 490. Our estimated difference will be, subtract this number, will get 7,840. Next question number third, estimate the following products using general rule. A. 578 multiply 161. So to solve, estimate 578 multiply 161. For 578 round off to 600 and 161 round off to 200. Our estimated product equal to, when we will multiply these, we will get 1,20,000. Next, for question number third, B. 5,281 multiply 3,491. So our third B part is, estimate 5,281 multiply 3,491. For 5,281 round off to, we will get 5,000. And for 3,491 round off to, we will get 3,500. So our estimated product will, when we multiply these number, we will get 17500, again 000 will be, so we'll get 1750000. In our question number third, C. 1,291 multiplied by 592. So we will get estimate 1,291 multiply 592. 1,291 round off to 1,300 and 592 rounds off to 600. So our estimated product will be, when we multiply these numbers, we will get 7,80,000. Now I will start Roman numerals. So there are some rules for this system. Number A, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. That is, 2 is equal to 2. XX is 20 and XXX is 30. For B number, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol V, L and D are never repeated. C, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of the symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. That is 6, 5 plus 1 equal to 6. X 1 1 equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. And LX5 LXB equal to 50 plus 10 plus 5 equal to 65. In D part, if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of the symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. That is 1, 4 equal to 5 minus 1. We will get 4. 1x equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. XL equal to 50 minus 10 equal to 40. XC equal to 100 minus 10 equal to 90. Next is the symbol V, L and D are never written to the left of the symbol of greater value. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. The symbol 1 can be subtracted from 5 and X only, and symbol X can be subtracted from L, M and C only. So, following these rules, we get 1 equal to, 2 equal to, 3 equal to, 4 equal to, 5 equal to, 6 equal to, 7 equal to, 8 equal to, 9 equal to, 10 equal to, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 500 and 1000. Student, now there is a task for you. You have to complete this task in your homework copy. Exercise 1.3, question number 1, C and D. Second question number second, D. And third question D. And you have to also complete your all examples from 1 to 7. Thank you, student. We will again meet in our next class.